Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your anti-phishing code on Bitget account. So first we're going to go to the app. Then next we're going to click on our profile icon on the top left corner. Then we're going to click on our account profile. Then you guys are going to go to security option. Then once you scroll down, there's the anti-phishing code. So you guys could simply write any number. You could change it from the last time. So once you're done, you're going to click on submit. So they're going to send you a Google Authenticator verification code. So go to the app and insert the code. If you didn't receive a code, they'll resend it again. So once you write the number, you change your anti-phishing code. This is how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.